amazing, the beautiful crème de la crème, Felicia
Ross.
Ross.
Thank you, dear.
So go ahead and tell the viewers a little bit about yourself, the genre of your music, what it showcases, how old since you started singing, and how they could reach your work.
So I am Felicia Ross. I am a singer, songwriter, pianist, producer extraordinaire, if you will, a woman of all trades. I've been playing the piano and singing for my whole life since the age of 3 and 5. Started playing piano first at 3, singing at 5. My music is basically a representation of who I am, which is basically a fusion blend of American-inspired sounds ranging from soul, R&B, jazz, the American standards, and of course Haitian, Caribbean roots. So zouk, compa, R&B, zouk, compa, reggae, mainly those three, zouk, compa, and reggae. But you know, that also means African sounds because we are all one. So my music is really fusion music. And yeah, you could find me on everywhere in the social ether at Felicia Ross.
I love it. So there you have it, you guys. The amazing Felicia Ross. Once again, we're just hanging out, okay? Girls' night.
Are you guys ready to sing a little Only For You? Shout that, man. Thank you guys so much for having me, sons and daughters of Haiti. Thank y'all for helping me. I'm so proud to represent and do my best. We all need to do our best and continue. Let's go. People search the world to find love. So you, let me hear y'all.
Almost ready. Okay, you guys, so here's the designer right here in the white. This one in the back in black is the manager. Yes. And of course me, I'm the coach. I show them the dance. This is the bomb filter. What else? Wiggling. Okay, you guys, I'm trying to get the dress for me.
Yes, ma'am. Oh.
Okay. So this is the attire you got.
Let me see the shoe, bruh. Oh, never mind.
I'm not too much. They're just comfortable. Don't look at the shoes, guys. Look at the dress here.
My bad.
Yeah, and we just have like something simple, you know, jewelry. The choker is so uncomfortable. Like I can't even lower my neck. Look at this. So this is what we're rocking tonight.
Not only for swimming, but for other events. And this is an opportunity for us as Haitians to really come together and defy all odds on another global platform. This is where we need your help. Achieving the impossible is not an easy task. As we all know, we're the first and only successful slave revolt and the first ever Black Republic. Defying all odds is what makes us Haitian. What's great is that while the world only knows us as the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere, it's actually an advantage to us because we actually know who we are. And we do well as the underdog. We just have to remember that to achieve the impossible, we must support each other. And it's marked on our flag, L'Union fait la force.
Yes.
And there's
In
something...
the spirit of hope and in the spirit of fighting for what we know is truth. Okay, and that truth is that Haiti will always what? Haiti will always rise. No matter what. Still like dust, we what? You kick us down to the dirt, but like dust, we? No matter what. This earthquake is trying to come and shout us, you know? No matter what. That blue and red pride is what we have, and we're going to keep
All the
rising.
ladies dance like really hard, like that dance you're doing. Let me see it. So when we get to the count of three, when I get to the count of three, you gotta do the dance as hard as you can do it. Grown-ups, you do whatever kind of dance you want to do. I won't display what that is, because they're right in front of me. But I'm gonna do this dance, because that's what she's doing. What are you gonna do? You don't know yet? Doesn't matter. When the feeling comes to you, you're gonna just drop it, okay? That's right. You know what you're gonna do. All right, you take it till you make it. If you don't know, just look confident about it, okay? You know what she's gonna do. Let's see. So on the count of three, we're gonna dance as hard as we can possibly dance, ladies.
All right.
Okay?
All right.
Let me get the vibe warmed up. Give us a little vibe to warm up to, man. No, that was for my gentlemen. I want Can't Resist for my ladies, sorry. Let me see you warm up. Let me see you warm up. Whoa! Let me see. Oh, I like yours too.
That one's called People. That's brand new. If you haven't seen that, head to YouTube, check out that video. That was a lot of fun. Okay, so I'm gonna sing a little zouk. Je dois pratiquer mon français aussi. Oui, je parle français un peu. C'est franchement horrible. Oui. Mais quand même, I'm using my Asian roots to learn all I can learn, Jack. I'm not gonna let the ancestors have all these beautiful things to teach me that I don't learn. Like French. Can I sing a little bit in French for y'all? Okay, and this song is called La Vie Sans Toi. That means my life without you. So you gotta find someone you love a lot and then hug them like this. Dance with them. Okay?
This is really where I want to hear you sing as loud as you can. When I come. Only for you. Continue the beautiful work you're doing. All the honorees, all of you guys, great job. Keep up the beautiful work, making our country proud. I hope to be right there with you. Thank you.
Thank you.